I need help. About a month ago, I did a quilting video. Well, I was recording a quilting tutorial on how to do this really cool circular spiral quilting. Long story short, it turned out terrible. I didn't even release the tutorial part, and I released a video talking all about the mistake and how bad it looked. Lots of you have seen that one. If you haven't, I will link it up here in the cards and also down in the description box below for you, so you can watch that and watch me be embarrassed for like 10 minutes. But going from there, I am attempting to re-quilt that quilt. I took out all the quilt stitches. I got it all undone. It looks great now and it's ready to be quilted again. And I am mentally and emotionally ready to attempt the quilting again. I sat down and I was trying to figure out how I wanted to do it because I really want to accomplish this spiral design that I have in my head. I've kind of got like crop circles, spirally looking design just in my head, and that's what I want to do. So what I ended up doing was I talked to my dad about it. My dad is very, very smart and just really good at figuring out geometric stuff. And he likes doing problem solving like I do. Me and him are very similar. So he really enjoys working on projects like that as well. And he was actually a cabinet maker for a very long time. And it is really interesting to think about how similar quilting and sewing is to cabinet making and building. So it's really, really interesting to kind of see the similarities between them. So I think he's going to be a great advisor for this project, and he's going to help me. This video, I am just giving you guys like an update and letting you know what's going on. And next video, he is going to join me and you're going to see us working together to figure out how we are going to make this quilting work. And that's going to be a really fun video. I'm super excited about it. He and I are very close and it's just going to be really fun to work with him on a project like that. So yeah, so that's going to be coming out next week, either Tuesday or Friday, kind of depending on how it goes. I might break it up into 2 parts. So first part on Tuesday, second part on Friday. I know I told you guys that I've moved up to making 2 videos a week. Right now my schedule is Tuesdays and Fridays releasing videos, and those seem to be good days for me. It seems like a good space between, and hopefully that works for you guys as well. So you can look forward to that. We will be doing that tutorial, and I just really want to make sure that I have it all figured out and completely hash out all the issues and everything, so I am able to explain it to you properly so you can do it with your quilts also, because it's not just going to be a fun design for me, I don't think. I'm hoping that other people want to try it and can do it properly. And to do that, I want to be able to explain it correctly, right? Because that's what I always try to do. I try to break the steps down so it's easy for you guys to understand, okay? That's what I am working on. So I'm actually, when I'm done recording and editing this, I am gonna go sit down with a piece of paper and a pencil and draw up the quilt and try to figure out exactly where I want my spirals on the quilt. And then my dad will come in and help me figure out how exactly I'm going to do that. So that's going to be really fun. Just a heads up for this coming month. It's June tomorrow, I think, right? Yeah, today's the 31st. It's already June. I cannot believe that. It is just, this year is going by so fast, you guys. So fast. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Next month, it'll be half the year is gone already. So what I'm planning for June is this tutorial on the spiral quilting, which is going to be super fun. If you can't tell, I'm excited about it. Then later on in the month, I'm actually going to be releasing a free quilt pattern. So that's going to be a really fun quilt that we can make together. It'll be really cool. It's a very simple quilt. It'll be fun to make. I might have that be kind of like my kickoff for my live streams. So I asked you guys last week about live streams, what you thought about it, or maybe it was earlier this week. What day is it today? Oh, today's Friday. I was thinking today was Tuesday. Oh my goodness. My brain's all over the place, you guys. It's just all over the place. I asked you guys earlier this week on Tuesday what you thought about live streams, and I got all kinds of opinions, and I really appreciate that. I was really hoping that you guys would come through and give me your honest opinions about that, and you did, and I really do appreciate that you took the time out and told me what you thought. And I had a couple of people that are our fellow content creators let me know what they thought about it on their side, which I also really appreciated, because I don't know, I haven't done one before, so I was kind of curious to see what people on the other side thought as well. So that was really cool that you guys reached out and told me. So moving forward, I am planning on trying to do some live streams, but it's going to be, I'm going to try to kind of be in the middle between like an overly produced, super structured, because it is good to have some structure, but I don't want to be so overly structured that I'm not able to actually have conversations with you guys and talk to you. And then also there's the other side where it's just like, it makes no sense. It's like, why are you even live streaming right now? Right? So I kind of want to find that happy medium. And I like the idea of us kind of like sewing together, working on a project together. So I hadn't actually thought about that yet, but I think that free quilt pattern would be an excellent introduction in the live stream, because then we'll have a project that we can work on together. I'll probably also ask you guys to submit some questions if you would like, or come to the live stream with questions if you have them, so we can chit chat while we are working. I am very much looking forward to that. That'll be really good. Yeah, I think June is going to be a great month. It is going to fly by. The summer always seems to go by so fast, doesn't it? It was like that when I was a kid. It's like that as an adult. It's just time goes by so fast during the summertime. It's busy, but it's good. I am very much looking forward to being able to talk to you guys in that capacity. I really enjoy talking to you in the comments and on Facebook and on Instagram, and now we'll actually be able to talk in real time through a live stream, which will be really fun. I will announce that completely ahead of time, at least a week ahead of time, let you know. I'm probably going to do a live stream on the weekend, because I think that would be more convenient for people. Maybe I'll put out a questionnaire thing in the community tab and kind of find out what you guys think about people that are actually going to come to live stream or actually want to come to a live stream. Can give me their opinion on whether they'd like it in the morning, afternoon, evening, what days make more sense for you guys. My schedule is pretty flexible. We'll just play it by ear. I know I need to kind of be a little bit in charge because I am the person doing the live stream, but I really want to, I'm doing it for both of us, but I really want to make sure that anybody that really wants to come to it is going to be able to. We'll figure it out when we get there. We will. It'll be trial and error, but we'll figure it out. Just thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. We're having fun over here. It's a free thing to do, and it really helps me out if you subscribe and like, and just leave a short comment on the video. That kind of tells YouTube that, hey, people like this content. Let's keep pushing it out to more people. And I would really, really appreciate that. Just thank you guys so much for everything. I really hope you have a great day, a great weekend. Have some fun this weekend. And I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.